Roxie has been enjoying that little spot right there. She's digging. It's so cute. She's enjoying the sand. Oh, it's so precious. She's having a ball. She's getting in tune with nature, it seems. Anyway, it's really fun seeing your dog enjoy nature like you do. And she is really enjoying it. It's really hilarious. I've never seen her do this before, so it's just very comical to me. It's such a fun day to be out here and be run with nature and just explore the beauty of everything around you. I love doing that. And when you have a sweet little buddy like this that you can share it with, it's awesome. Are you having fun? I think you are. Roxie, are you having fun? Roxie girl. Yeah, she is into the smells. Everything. All her 5 senses are alive. She's enjoying this. Yes, I'm talking about you. Oops.